Right now, hidden quietly behind the scenes of the tech industry, there is an intense, low-grade war being waged over your desktop computer. The two heaviest hitters in the artificial intelligence space, OpenAI and Anthropic, are locked in a fierce battle to figure out who can build the absolute most powerful, most convenient automated coding tools. Up until very recently, it really looked like Anthropic was pulling ahead and winning the race. Their product, Claude Code, quickly became the go-to tool for countless businesses and developers. But if you thought OpenAI, I was just going to surrender and walk away, you are completely mistaken. They are fighting back hard. This week, OpenAI completely revamped their own automated tool known as Codex, packing it with a massive variety of brand new updates designed to give it almost unbelievable control over your daily workflow. The absolute biggest, most jaw-dropping feature they announced is that Codex can now operate entirely in the background of your computer. It can literally open up any application on your desktop and carry out complex operations using a virtual cursor that actually clicks and types just like a human being would. What this means functionally is that Codex can deploy multiple different autonomous agents at the exact same time. All of these agents will work silently on your Mac in parallel, completely invisible to you, without ever interfering with the work you are doing in other applications. Imagine having an invisible coding buddy sitting next to you, handling all the boring, tedious auxiliary tasks while you focus entirely on the high-level, critical projects. OpenAI says you could use this feature for things like constantly iterating on front-end design changes, running endless app tests, or even manipulating older legacy applications that do not have a modern API available. This massive update clearly proves that OpenAI does not just want Codex to be a simple autocomplete tool for code anymore. They want to turn it into a multifaceted, deeply integrated assistant that weaves itself right into the fabric of giant corporate workflows. If you follow this industry closely, you probably realize that these new Codex powers sound awfully similar to what Anthropic released just last month, when they announced that Claude could remotely control your machine while you were away from the keyboard. The copycat game is clearly in full swing. But OpenAI did not stop there. They also added a built-in browser to Codex, allowing you to give the agent specific commands that it will execute on web applications. They are planning to expand this soon so the agent can fully command the entire internet on your behalf. They also introduced a new preview feature called Memory, which allows the tool to perfectly recall everything you did in previous work sessions, giving it vital context about your unique work style. On top of that, they gave it image generation capabilities for creating quick product concepts or slide visuals. And they rolled out 111 brand new plug-in integrations for popular apps. You can literally tell the artificial intelligence to scan your team chats and your calendar, and then write up a custom to-do list for your entire day. As they shift heavily toward these enterprise tools and slowly retreat from consumer products, it is clear OpenAI is doing whatever it takes to reclaim the absolute top spot in the industry, no matter how fierce the competition gets.